scientists. Today, our target skill is I can observe and classify animals by their characteristics. Today, we are going to take a closer look at animals and we are going to put them into groups. We are going to classify these animals by how they are the same and how they are different. Today, we are taking a look at 6 different groups or classifications of animals. The first classification we are going to look at is called mammals. A mammal has fur or hair. A young mammal drinks from its mother. So here in this picture, we can see that this lioness is feeding her baby cubs with her milk. This is how baby mammals get food. Do you see the other mammals in this picture? All of these mammals have hair or fur. The second group of animals we are looking at is called birds. A bird has feathers, wings, and a beak. Most lay eggs and find food to feed their young or their babies. So friends, how are birds and mammals the same? And how are they different? We notice that mammals had fur, but birds have feathers. Birds also lay eggs instead of having live babies. Birds go and find food to give to their babies, while mammals can feed their babies. Let's look at the next group, called reptiles. A reptile has dry skin and is covered in scales. Most reptiles lay eggs. Look closely at these pictures, boys and girls. Do you see the dry, scaly skin on these animals? If an animal has dry, scaly skin, it is most likely a reptile. Our next group is called amphibians. An amphibian has smooth, wet skin. They lay their eggs in the water. Can you see the smooth, wet skin on these amphibians? Our next group is called fish. A fish has body parts that help it live in water. They have scales which help keep their bodies safe. Look closely at this picture, boys and girls. Do you see the scales on the fish? Do we know another animal group that has scales? We learned that reptiles have scales, but their scales are dry. Our last group is called insects. An insect has 3 body parts and 6 legs. It also has a hard shell to keep its body safe. If we look closely at these insects, boys and girls, you can see 1, 2, 3 body parts, and each insect only has 6 legs. Do you see the hard shells on these insects? Now, boys and girls, it's your turn to read a little bit more about these animals and how they are different. You can read in Lesson 3 and then complete pages 116 through 118. I'll see you next time, scientists.